Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have joined Christmas bathroom decoration. This Christmas theme Santa Claus toilet seat cover with 3D nose. Everything that you will need to decorate your bathroom from top to bottom. It is high quality flexible material, reusable and washable. It is made of polyester. It is perfect for Christmas home decoration, home and house Christmas event party favor supplies. At number 6 we have Vivo Home Christmas Decoration. It comes with interior vivid LED lights to gently illuminate for a soft ambient glow. And bring joy and happiness to your neighbors, friends and family for extra holiday cheer. The flashing lights make the Christmas decoration look more realistic to enhance festival features. This eye-catching decoration requires minimal effort to set up with few minutes by the built-in fan and charger. It is made of high-quality polyester material. This Santa ornament is safe and durable to use. The extended power cord is suitable for you to put it in different places. It's creating a fun and memorable scene in your house or on your lawn during the holiday season, which gives your garden a joyful holiday vibe. It is a perfect nighttime display, will make your house become more popular and unique on Christmas. It featuring low noise. This product only makes a little noise when operating in the room. At number 5 we have Lycan Christmas Decoration. This Christmas window clings will satisfy your various needs for decorating your family for Christmas. They will brighten any window inside and out this holiday season. And the children will love these cute little Christmas clings for windows two-sided very much. These window clings have double side patterns. That means that you can see these Christmas window clings when you stick them on the window, no matter indoor or outdoor. The window stickers are easy to peel off without residue, and will not damage the window. The spring window clings use high-definition printing technology, clear patterns, and bright colors. These Christmas window grills have diverse characters such as Santa Claus, snowballs, elk, etc. The large-sized window grills will surely provide you with perfect visual enjoyment and make your home's windows a beautiful scenery. At number 4 we have Doggo. These window clings have double-side patterns which are pretty easily visible from outside too. These quality Christmas window stickers are super cute, easy to install. Although they stick very well, they are easy to remove and adjust. These Christmas window cling decorations could undoubtedly add the festive atmosphere. They are not only suitable for Christmas parties, but can also be given to relatives and friends as Christmas gifts. At number 3 we have Precious Moments Christmas Decoration. This ornament featuring a precious baby girl lying upon a blanket. It's wearing her pink polka dot pajamas and a Santa hat. She has a sweet curl resting upon her forehead. You can give this thoughtful ornament for a baby girl to celebrate her first holiday season. It makes a memorable baby shower gift for new or expectant parents as well. It measuring approximately 2.5 h. At number 2 we have Sinion Christmas Decoration. This personalized ornament is designed to commemorate the 2021 survived hard year. This personalized ornament is designed to commemorate the 2021 survived hard year. The color of the Christmas ornaments is bright. It will not fade or peel off painting. The whole shape and person is 3D effect and more vivid. You can customize the Christmas tree ornaments with your name or text by oil pen for 1 to 9 family members. You can DIY personalized Christmas ornament on the blank hat and banner with your family or friends. The process will be more creative and interesting. This customized ornament is well packaged by craft paper box and PE foam, which will protect the exquisite ornament from broken. At number 1 we have Converbist Christmas Decoration. This one-of-a-kind 2021 vaccine Santa Claus ornament is a fun and funny way to commemorate 2021. And can all use a laugh these days. The vaccine Santa wears a mask in a sign of these difficult times. You can give the gift that ornament collectors will be vying to add to their collection. This limited edition ornament is the perfect present for mom, grandma, stocking stuffer or white elephant. This cute collectible piece will spark conversation and laughter in your family for years to come each time you unpack your ornaments to decorate the tree. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas decorations for your need.